Right, now we're going to question number 11. David needs to buy a second-hand trailer, right? So how long will it take him to save towards this amount if he deposits 2,500 now? So we need a timeline diagram. So there is now, and there is a certain time that we don't know, right? Then it says, okay, how long will it take him to save towards this amount if he deposits that, earning 10.5% interest per year compounded weekly? So it's compound interest. So we have compound interest. That's diagram again from our previous question, right? Diagram is done using these 5 top patterns. So I have N, I, PV, EMT, FV, right? Then I have N is equal to N times T. Then I have I is equal to R over N, right? Trying to find out what my M is, right? It's fine. So from there, we now need to fill in the values that we need. So now we read to fill in values, right? So it says David needs 30835.42, right? Sorry. So it says David needs, right? It says David needs, so we have 30835.42. That means it's needed now. So that's the present value. How long will it take him to save towards the amount if he deposits? Oh, okay, sorry. That was too quick, right? But the question is when will he need it, right? Let's see. So you put it that how long will it take him to save towards this amount if he deposits 25,000 now? That's the present value. So that means that amount of money is in the future, which is unknown, right? So it's 30835.42, right? Into savings account, right? Earning 10.5% interest per year. So the rate is 10.5% interest per year compounded weekly. So your M is 52. So the question is, what is the time? So because of that, so now we have our FV. This is going to give us our I. So now, looking at this, they want the time. So what is going to give us time is first we find this, then from our financial calculator, after getting this, we can now find the time that is involved by simply dividing by that n. So let's go ahead and do that, right? Let's go ahead and do that. Right. So we reset our calculator as usual. Then from there, we start putting in the values. So we have 30. Right, so we start from this side going that side, right? So we start off with the I, so we have 10.5 divided by 52. This is just done to be safe, right? There's nothing wrong with starting anyway. Then we have I. Then we are going to have 25,000. Don't forget to press plus or minus, because if you don't press plus or minus, it will give you a no solution error. So plus or minus, we have PV. We have a negative PV there. Then we have 30, right? 835.42. This one don't need to press plus or minus, that's your future value. Then from there, now that all that is the future value, what you're looking for is n, right? That will help you get time. So you have n. So n is 104, right? So n is 104, right? Let's see what the question is asking, right? So the question is asking how long will it take to do this? Now, it's safe to find out how many years that will be, right? But the answer is given in weeks, right? So this n is the number of compounding periods, right? Is the number of the total number of compounds that you have. So since they are in weeks, that means n is 104 weeks. So that's the solution, right? And that solution is option number 4. Right. That will give you option number 4. Right, so thank you once again for watching this video. We are going to meet in question 12.